In this video, you will hear the sounds produced by some Trevor Henderson creatures. Some of them can be terrifying or can activate your survival instinct, even more if you imagine them encountering the real life. So let's get started. Pinkman, also known as the Forgotten Baby, is a tall and extremely aggressive creature. It says that its mission is to kidnap people to take them to a strange static dimension where they habit. That kind of monster can live from different kind of devices that produce static, usually being OTBs. Its appearance is kinda creepy thanks to its inhuman face features. Edmund Fitzgerald Ghost is a creepy creature that is supposed to habit in a sunken ship, known as the Edmund Fitzgerald. The story surrounding that ship was very tragic and sad because the ship crew died during a very strong storm that caused the sinking of the ship. Edmund Fitzgerald Ghost and his son was caught on camera during an exploration mission near the sunken ship zone.
Help me.
The angel, its true purpose is currently unknown, but probably is a creature with high danger levels, so it's better to stay attentive with its repentant apparitions. It is theorized that could be a real angel that protect people, but that's just a speculation.